saying namaste or going ahead. Correct, no? Greetings ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ನಾವು ಯಾರನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಅವರನ್ನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ? ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ we will hug. Correct, no? If we see any the person, reputed person like any priest or any politicians and all, what we do, we will say namaste. Or any friend, if your papa introduce any of his friend means, what you will do, you will say namaste. Namaste uncle, like that you will tell, no? That one. Then another thing, you will give a shake hand to the person who are little bit far from you. Okay? Yes, no? Yes. With that, every time I was telling to you to learn the literally prayer. Yes, no? You are all learning that one, no? Okay, once you come back to school, no? You need to tell to me that prayer. With that small shlokas also you need to learn. Yes? Okay. And important things, you need to upgrade your values, good values also. Correct, no? Yes. Now shall we start our class? Yes, first is our English language class. Till now what we learned? The short vowels. Okay, short vowels, CVC words. Short vowel families and CVC words. I'll write the groups, okay, in which the CVC words will come. First one is A. In that, how many groups are there? I am writing 3 to 4. Okay, for example, AN. Two words are can, pan, man. Okay, AT. Can, pan, man. AG. Bag, tag, rag. Okay, these all are, for example, I am taking only three groups of A family. Yes, what are these? These all are vowels. As I told you, the CVC words is nothing but a consonant, vowel and consonant. Okay, CVC words are a words with 3 words of beginning and ending consonants with 1 vowel in the middle. Correct, no? And these family words only we will change the starting or beginning consonant. The other 2 will remain same of individual group. Okay, next we will go to E. E family. Okay, in that EN, pen, man. Okay, ET, pet, wet, mat. Then ED family, bed, red, fed. Okay, you all already know all the families. Already I have given homework so many homeworks and I told you to read it loud. The words already you all know, just I am reviewing the same thing. A family, E family, in that I am taking three groups. Okay, A, E. Next is our I. I family, in that IN. Pin, fin, sin. Okay, pin, fin, sin. IT. Pit, sit, fit. Okay, IN, IT and IT. Tip, lip, sip. Okay, tip, lip, sip. This is for I family, in that I groups. Okay, so many are there. IG is there, IX is there. Only I am taking three as an example. Okay, A is over, E is over, I is over. Now O. O family. Okay, first one is OT. Pot, cot, knot. Pot, cot, knot. OP. Top, mop, cop. Top, mop, cop. Next, ON. Sun, sun. Then what? Sun, sun. Okay, sun, sun. Corn. Okay, this is for ON, O family. Okay, next is A, E, I, O. The last is U. What are those? UN. Sun, fun, run. Okay, then UT. Cut, put, then cut, put, then run. Okay, last one is UN, UT, then UG. Buck, duck, mud. Okay, children, only today I did one review of the ovals CVC words, that is short vowel CVC words. What are those? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These all are the short vowels CVC words. What are those? A family, I have taken only three groups in that family. What are those? A-N, A-T, A-G. A-N, A-T, A-G. E family, E-N, E-T, E-D. E-N, E-T, E-D. Other families also is there. INIT. In O family, OT, OP, ON. U family, UN, UT, UG. Okay. Simply I am given review. I did the review and give some examples. You can go through all this in your reading readiness book and in phonic activity book. Okay. You'll come to know. Okay, children. Yeah. Till now, what and all we learned? Beginning alphabets. After that, beginning and ending consonants. All the CVC words and short vowels of A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Why this is very important? Every time I will be telling you, just read and you remember the rhyming words and family words. This will help you in making the sentences. Okay. Already you are in UKG upper class. You need to frame the own sentences. Okay. The homework is small pictures of the families, each family. You need to make 2 sentences using the words given by me. Okay. The homework is in 4 lines book. Each family I want 2 sentences. Okay. This you need to do. The first one is A. For A, what is this? This is a cat. Okay. Cat. Then bag. Bag. Okay. First you need to draw the pictures of this. Okay. Any picture you can draw. Not only what I written, but it should be belong to A family only. What is A family? All the letters should be in A. Okay. Then you can draw any 4 pictures like this, and you need to write 2 sentences for the same. Like cat with like that. Okay. Any 2 sentences. Okay. 2 sentences you have to do for A family using these pictures only. Okay. I go to E. Okay. These are all the pictures what are given for E family. You need to write 2 sentences. You need to write the picture also. Any picture, if it is not there, if you don't know how to write it, you can change your picture. That depends on you. But you need to draw 4 pictures and 2 sentences for each family. Okay? Like that E, I, O, U. You need to draw 4 pictures, then you need to write 2 sentences using that pictures. Okay? Compulsory you need to draw small 4 pictures, then you need to write 2 sentences for that picture, using that picture for that particular family. Okay? The next homework is reading readiness book, page number 29, and reading readiness book, page number 30. Both the pages you have to do. What are those? Reading readiness book, okay, page number 29. Circle the words that name the picture. Okay, first you have to write your name, put today's date, that is 21st October. Then you need to circle the words that name the picture. First they are given fan. You find out the name, that CVC word for the fan, F-A-N. Then you need to circle it off. Then the page number 30, look at the picture and complete the following word. There might have been missed the vowel or the beginning letter or the ending consonant. Okay, you need to fill the blank for that. This is reading readiness book, page number 29 and 30. With that, the homework is in your 4 lines book. You need to draw 4 pictures for each oval family, A, E, I, O, U, and write 2 sentences for using that pictures for individual family. Okay, this is for your English. Now we are moving to our maths. We learn patterns. Okay, already we learned this. Today I am doing the review of the same. What is patterns? Patterns means the same kind of pictures will repeat one after the other. Otherwise it is also called subsequent. Okay, one another other. It is also called as a sequences. Correct, no? How? See, if I write A and B, if I write A, then B, the next will be again A. Okay, the next will be again A only. Next is B. Next will be A. Like that. A and B will be the common pattern. This is called a AB pattern. Already we learned in 2 weeks back. Just I am reviewing the same thing. Okay. This is called a AB pattern. First we will write A, then B, again we will write A and B. A and B will, what will happen? It will subsequent to each other. Otherwise it will sequence to each other. Okay. That is, for example, see, if I draw one rectangle and a circle, the next picture will be a rectangle. Very good. good. The next will be circle. Understood? If I take two pictures as an example, the rectangle and circle, rectangle and circle, again it should be rectangle only, then the circle. See, if I write A here, it will become B. Again it should be A and it should be B. Here the A means it's a triangle. B means it's a circle is equal to. Okay? Like this I have taken example and I have done pattern. Okay? Another one example, we will take one tree and one leaf. Okay? Again what I have to draw? I have to draw the tree itself. Correct, no? Again what I have to draw? I have to draw leaf. Okay? Now the next should be tree only. Correct, no children? This is tree, leaf. It is, if I take A as a tree and B as a leaf, the pattern should be A, B, and A. Okay? This is called a pattern. This I will show you some practical. Okay, with some blocks. You all have your building blocks, right? Yes? Yes. Okay. See, I have taken two colors building blocks. Okay. I have taken two colors building blocks. I have one green and one red. I will show you how we can make a pattern of this. First is A. A means I will take A as a red color. The B as a green color. Okay, green color is B and A color block is red. Okay, red A, then it will come B. Again what should come? It will come A. A is red and B is green. Okay, now which color has to come here? Yes, it's a red. Then it's a green. Correct? This is AB pattern. A is red, B is green. A is red, B is green. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. Okay, children? You all understood? This is one kind of pattern. I will show another one thing. I have taken one mango. Okay? This is what? This one is the grapes, purple grapes. Again, what I have to take? Yes, I have to take the mango. After mango, what I have to take? I have to take the grapes. Now, next can I take the grapes? Can I take the grapes? No, I have to take the mango. Mango is A, grapes is B. Mango is A, grapes is B. This is called a AB pattern. Okay, I'll show another one using a rectangle. Okay, what is this? This is a rectangle and this is one circle. Okay, rectangle, circle. Now what I have to take? I have to take a rectangle. After the rectangle, what will come? Again, one circle. Okay, this is called a pattern. This you can do at home, your own patterns. Okay, you can do your own patterns. Just try with just use your brain and make the own patterns whichever you want, and you'll come to know the type of a pattern. What is that? Pattern AB pattern. Okay, children? The homework is, this is also called what comes next. Okay, homework is maths workbook. Okay, in the maths workbook, page number 48 and 49. If you are completed, just leave it. If you are not completed, you need to complete. Okay, if you are completed, just you go to that. If it is not completed, you need to finish both the pages. 41 and 48, what they have given, what comes next, just you go through this and fill the blanks. For example, in the first one they are given triangle, one star, triangle, then star. Now you have to draw one triangle and this star. Okay, okay children, this is for your maths class. It's a patterns. Now we are moving to EVS. In that we were learning community helpers. Okay, as usual, first we will discuss till now what we learned. That is in your Tell Me More book, page number 26. First we will go to little conversation regarding the helpers what we already learned. Okay, what the first one is teacher. Who is a teacher? Teacher is a person who will teach us lesson. Okay, pilot. Pilot is a person who drives aeroplane. Traffic police. Traffic police is a person who controls the traffic. Farmer. Farmer is a person who grows crops, vegetables and fruits. Okay, next one is sweeper. Sweeper is a person who keeps the city clean by swiping the roads. Next one is postman. Postman is a person who gives us or delivers the post or letters or couriers which we get from address. Okay. The next one is fireman. Fireman is a person who puts out the fire if in any accident happens at home or any building. Okay. Next one is a barber. Barber is a person who trims or cuts our grown hairs. Okay. Next one is a ironsmith. Is a person who works with iron and steel. Okay. Next one is a goldsmith. A person who makes ornaments like earrings, chains, bangles, finger rings and all. Okay. Next one is washerman. Washerman is a person who takes our clothes to wash and he also irons and then he delivers to our house. Okay. Next one is a person tailor. Tailor is a person who stitches our new dress. Correct, no? Next, porter. Porter is a person who carries our luggages in railway station and bus station. Okay. Next is a milkman. Already I told you milkman is a person who gives milks to our house. In olden days there were so many cows and we were getting the milk to our house only. Nowadays we have adopted a new technology of a packet milk. Okay. Next, yesterday we learned doctor and nurses. Doctors and nurses are a person who treats us when we are sick in the hospitals. Bus conductor and a driver. Bus conductor is a person who gives tickets to us. Correct, no? If you want to travel from one place to another place, this is a means of one transport. Bus is a means of transport. We need to pay and we need to travel. That is a bus conductor. Okay. Cobbler. Cobbler is a person who will work with leather. Correct, no? He will stitches our slippers, shoes and leather bags. Okay. Cobbler is a person that he also repairs our leather things. Next one, baker or a server or a waiter. Baker is a person who bakes bread, biscuits, buns and pastries and all at bakery. And the waiter is a person who will serve us the food in the restaurant. Correct, no? Mason. Mason is a person who works with the bricks, helps in building our house. Okay. Next, we will move to our new 5 community helpers. Those are first one is soldiers. Who is this soldiers? He is a person who protects our country from the enemies, who will fight for our countries in the borders. Correct, no? Sainika antaralva. Soldiers na ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಸೈನಿಕರು ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶನ ಗಡಿ ಭಾಗನ ಕಾಯ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಶತ್ರುಗಳು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಕಾಯ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನಿಕರು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಟರ್. ಪಾಟರ್ ಪಾಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಟರ್? ಹೂ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ the pots from the clays. You all see, no, that one wheel will be turning and in the middle they will put some mud, wet mud. From that they will make some pots, clay pots. Nowadays it has become so familiar for cooking and all. Plates, pots, cooking vessels and all, they are doing from the clay item or a mud item. Next one is the painter. Okay, painter is a person who paints inside the house, outside the house, all over, in the building, in the roadside and all, they will paint it. He is the person who works with paints. Next one is architect. Architect is a person who will give a plan before constructing our house. Essentially, architect is a person who will give a plan. Where should the kitchen come? Where should the bedroom come? Where should we have to put a bathroom? Like that and all. Who will give a plan to construct our new house or new office, mansion and all? The person is called an architect. He will give a plan. How many bits should be kitchen? How many bits should be your bedroom, and how many it should be your puja room? Where should be the puja room? That vastu and all given by the architect. Okay, next is our carpenter. Okay, carpenter is a person who will work with wood. Correct, no? To make the furnitures. Correct? Yes, carpenter is a person who will work with wood to make the furnitures. Okay, regarding this, I will give the homework. As usual, you need to stick the pictures of these 5 in your interleaf book. You need to stick the picture of 5 persons of soldiers, potter, painter, architect and carpenter. And the question and answer you need to answer in your 4 lines. The first question is about the soldier. Okay, who is soldier? We can see if they are given any question regarding the same. Okay, now they are not given. Okay, I will write that who is soldier. You can answer your own. He will guard our country, or he will, a soldier is a person who guards our border. Okay, the second one is potter. What does potter do? Okay, the potter will make a pots, or potter will make a pots using clay. Okay, the third one is painter. Who paints our house? Okay, who paints our house? You need to answer. The painter will paints our house. The fourth one is architect. They are given the word question regarding him. What does an architect do? What does an architect do? An architect designs the building or gives a plan for the building. Okay. The fifth one is carpenter. Okay. Is there given any question regarding the carpenter? No. Okay. Who works with, otherwise who makes the furniture? That we got right. Who makes the who makes the furniture? Who makes the furniture? That you need to answer. Who makes the furniture? Carpenter will makes the furniture. Okay. This is for your EVS class. What you have to do? You have to go through the community helpers in Tell Me More book from 28, 29, 30 and 31 pages. Then with this, the homework is you need to, in your internet book, you need to write the questions. Take the help of your mama to write the question, but answer you have to write your own self. Then you need to stick the pictures. Okay. With this, I'll give one fun activity, that is how to make or how to arrange your flower vase. Okay. Take any one waste bottle, okay, anything, okay. Then you can make some pretty flowers like this. Okay. I have taken only one color. Okay. This you need to arrange it in a bottle. Okay. This is your fun activity. Okay children, you can see now, you can make colorful flowers and you can arrange it like this. Okay. Okay children, you all finished. Okay children, you all I think you all understood today's class. We will meet tomorrow. Please complete the homework day to day basis. Okay, enjoy your day. Bye. Take care.